Seit der Reichsgründung ist es durch 43 Jahre mein und meiner Vorfahren heißes Bemühen gewesen.
The task which I am sending you out to do is a great one. You must see that a serious injustice is expiated. In this case, the Chinese have dared to overturn a 1,000-year-old international law and to make a mockery of the sanctity of the diplomat and the right of hospitality. The case is unprecedented in world history, and this from a people proud of its ancient culture. But you can see from this what a culture not based on Christianity comes to. Every heathen culture, no matter how beautiful or august, will come to naught at the first catastrophe. When you come upon the enemy, smite him. Pardon will not be given. Prisoners will not be taken. Whoever falls into your hands is forfeit. Once, 1,000 years ago, the Huns, under their king Attila, made a name for themselves, one still potent in legend and tradition. May you in this way make the name German remembered in China for 1,000 years, so that no Chinaman will ever again dare to even squint at a German. You will have to fight a force superior in numbers. But as our military history demonstrates, we are accustomed to this. Gather new laurels for your flags. The blessings of the Lord go with you and your prayers. An entire nation accompanies you on all your paths. My best wishes to you for the fortune of your arms. And may God's blessing attach itself to your banner and bring a blessing upon this war, so that Christianity may survive in that land and such sad events never reoccur. To this end, stand by your oath. And now, a prosperous voyage. Adieu, comrades.
Join the conversation and stay connected. If you have suggestions for other historical speeches or works you'd like to see recreated, please leave a comment below with your recommendations. Your input is invaluable in shaping our content. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more unique and thought-provoking content. Thank you for watching and being part of our community. And I would like to take a moment to thank all of my patrons and YouTube members who help fund this work. Gold, Ben, DJ, Aaron, Edward, Space Captain, Myron, Harrison, Musicata, Carlisle, Ali, Cece, Mount FGT, Cult of Beauty, Alberto, Jared, Owen, Fex Hausa, Really Bad, Sarayevsky, Phoenix, Mike, JD, Rolfus, and Kid Vanderboos.